Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all doing well. Let's get started. First I make my eyebrows. If you don't know how to make perfect eyebrow, please go to my channel and watch my previous videos. And then I make my eyebrow. You can see it's so easy. Next I apply concealer on my both eyes. Very gently apply this concealer on my eyes. And then I blend this concealer with the help of this brush. And then I fix this powder with the help of this blending brush. Next I take this contour palette and I contour this nose with the help of this brush. I hope you enjoying my videos. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. After the contouring I took this light brown color and blending on my eyes in circular motion. Today is my video is smoky eyes, that's why. First I apply a light brown color, second I apply a dark shade on my eyes, and third I apply a dark black color on my eyes. If you want to perfect smoky eyes makeup, you must try this tips and trick. I hope you enjoy my videos. Please subscribe my channel. And then I apply a dark gray color on my eyes and blending very well. If you want to be a perfect smoky eyes makeup, so your blending is very well, and you must try my tricks. After the blending I applied this dark black color on my eyes. Next I blend this black eyeshadow with the help of this brush. Meanwhile I took a little bit brown eyeshadow and blended in both eyeshadow on my eyes. And now comes to a big surprise. I remove this excess eyeshadow on my lower lash, not lower lace line, is upper lash line. I remove the excess eyeshadow with the help of this oil and with the help of this brush. I remove very gently and very politely because I apply a beautiful golden eyeliner on this way. I love this eyeshadow and eyes makeup because girls are always like this way. Makeup, smoky eyes, and light color lipstick in parties and engagement and Eid. And then I apply this golden eyeliner where I remove the excess eyeshadow. Next I apply this beautiful black color on my lower lash, and blend it very well. After the blending I apply a beautiful eyelash on my practice board. Next, I take this highlighter on my nose on my brow bone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share your friends, your relatives. Bye.